Welcome back to Yarn Inspirations as well as the Knit Crowd. This is SSSP. This is slip, 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 purl. So what we're going to do is that we're going to put 3 together in this formation if you ever see it on the pattern. So what we have to do is we have to slip stitch the first 3 and we have to slip stitch the first 3 knitwise. So all you're just going to do is going into the first one as if you're going to knit, but you're not, and you're just going to slide it up and off. Then you're going to do another one. So it's slip, 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 and purl. So this is second one of 3 and then the final one of this one. So here's all 3 that you just slid off. Okay, so right there. So now you're going to transfer all 3 back to the original needle just like you see. So going in and transfer it back. What this has done is that it's turned that stitch around. So the loops now have a twist to it. So that's what's creating that effect. So to purl next, we have to make sure that this yarn goes in the forward first and then coming in to all 3, collecting all 3 as if you're going to purl 3 together, because that's exactly what you're doing, and then you're just gonna wrap the needle. Tension may be really tight when you go to do this because you've done a twist and coming around the needle and then just following it through. Sorry, my tension's really tight right now, and you just gotta watch that when you go to do it. So those 3 just became 1 and so forth. So watch how it's done again. So my strand is already in the front ready to do it next time. So you're gonna pretend you're gonna knit for 3, but you're just gonna slide off. So 1 and 2, this is turning those loops, and 3. You're then gonna transfer those 3 back onto your original knitting needle and we're going to purl those 3 together. So going in, putting those 3 together and follow through. So if you ever have SSSP, that's slip, 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 purl, that's exactly what you need to do in order to put everything together just like you see. So this is slip, 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 purl. Until next time, I'm Mikey on behalf of Yarn Inspirations as well as the Knit Crowd. Stay tuned for more free patterns and ideas. We'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.